I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm low-key freaking out about my channel and its future right now. On April 24th, I got my second community guideline strike, and it was over a video I made talking about hair loss on testosterone replacement therapy. I have been a staple on this platform on that topic, on the topic of testosterone replacement therapy, because I have hypogonadism, meaning I can't produce natural testosterone to an adequate level to where it doesn't affect my physical and mental health. I posted literally like 185, 190 videos in the lifetime of this channel on TRT, and on April 24th, I got my second community guideline strike, meaning that if I got one more, I would lose the entire channel. I've said that before. I just made a video on this, and I had this gut decision I had to make regarding testosterone replacement therapy videos. Do I send in an appeal, wait up to a couple, 2-3 weeks, hope that they understand that these are for educational purposes only, and that they take the appeal away, and just hang in the balance of whether or not I will get a random third strike, which means they delete your channel, or do I make a proactive decision to guarantee the safety of this community, of this channel, and delete videos they might consider dangerous content, like they did the video about talking about hair loss. It was an extremely hard decision to make, and I don't know that I made the right decision. In fact, I'm like kind of freaking out about it because the last 3 videos I've put out haven't even cracked 2,000 views. I haven't had a video not crack 2,000 views since December. And before that, it's been months and months and months. I never, ever have this poor viewership or audience retention. Ever. And for the record, I don't feel entitled to good audience retention. I just guess I've become accustomed to a certain response to my videos. And since I deleted 195 testosterone replacement therapy videos, which equated to thousands of new subscribers every month, and over 7 million total views I had to delete, I chose to delete out of a sense of playing it safe. The last 3 videos I've put out have reminded me of the audience retention I had back when I had like 10,000, 15,000 subscribers. My channel has 76,000 subscribers. And as a YouTuber, when you see new content going out that very few people are watching, granted, I'm so grateful for the people that are, and I love the people that do have watched those videos. I've enjoyed interacting with you. It is concerning though. And I'm sitting here like wondering, like, did I just make the biggest mistake of my YouTube career? The whole plan was that I would do major updates still on TRT, but I would put all of the, I could still do major updates like blood work and major changes, but I would have a safe haven for all the other videos. So I downloaded a copy of them all. I put all of them on a separate channel, Noah's Big No-No's TRT Chronicles. And I was like, I'll just keep them all there. That way my journey, which is very important to me on TRT, is still there and accessible, but it won't risk this channel. Well, they ended up accepting my appeal to my second community guideline strike. And now my channel's crashing. And now I'm like afraid maybe it won't be able to recover from this. And I don't know what to do. I don't know if it's too late. Did I just literally get bullied by YouTube and scared to the point that I made a rash decision? I clearly should have waited to see if they'd accept my appeal, but I had no, since the video that they flagged was one of the more harmless videos I've ever made on TRT, I just felt certain at the time that they were going to flag something else. I went 6 years without getting a community guideline strike, and then I got 2 in 3 weeks. So I was like, I felt like I would for sure be someone losing his channel, a channel that I have spent thousands of hours on, gotten so much out of, and offered so much of myself to. So I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know if I can last on this platform without being the TRT guy also. I certainly understand that talking about my mental health and updating on my life has been super valuable, but maybe I underestimated and downplayed the importance of being the TRT guy also. Maybe that was ignorant of me. I'm wondering if I should just re-upload all of the TRT videos that or at least a bunch of the popular TRT videos, put them back on this channel, and then just with updated disclaimers, with my channel now being set to an educational channel, maybe I'd be safe. Do I just stick to the plan and put them all on a TRT Chronicles channel and then just do TRT only there, but major updates still here? I don't know. I don't know. I could really use some feedback because this is making me pretty upset and pretty sad just to see everything crashing all of a sudden. You know, we were growing so well, and I felt like I got pushed into a corner by YouTube, and I had to make a choice, and it was such a hard choice. And I deleted videos with millions of views. I mean, my most popular videos I deleted because I thought that they would just get flagged and I would lose the channel. And maybe I was wrong, but I had no way of knowing. I had no way of knowing. I just couldn't risk it. To put so much effort into these last 3 videos and to have them do so poorly has got me really discouraged and confused. And so I know this is back and forth, and I apologize to involve you guys in this drama, but I'd love your opinion. I mean this. Should I just re-upload on, should I keep everything on one channel, put new disclaimers, and keep the faith but not hide any part of my life? I never meant to separate these, by the way. Again, I just did it because I thought I had to, but do you guys think now that I'm back to one community guideline strike, I should go ahead and just take another stab at being my whole life here, including TRT, just with new disclaimers? Or I should stick to the plan and just start a separate TRT channel and just have 2 channels, which in my head I hate. I don't want that. But I thought I had no choice. Anyway, I'd love to hear from you. I'm sorry for not being... I'm not sorry, actually. No, I need to stop apologizing. This is where I'm at. You guys always accept me for where I'm at, and that's okay. I'm stressed. I'm grateful, and I have so many good things going for me, and I'm sober today, and that's wonderful. But from a business standpoint, this is stressful. Did I just ruin my whole channel that I've spent 6 years on? What do you guys think I should do? Oh, and I hope you're having your best day. And I will make today a good day. I will do everything in my power to make today a good day. I need to figure this out.